Shanti was a lively and hard-working girl who got married into a family where her mother-in-law was very miserly. The mother-in-law always looked for ways to save money and often made Shanti do funny tasks. Shanti's husband worked in a company in another city and came home for 2 days at the end of each week. One day when Shanti's husband returned from the city, he told his wife to come with him to another town. Immediately, the mother-in-law started faking pain in her legs and back. She dramatically said,
"Oh my God, my pain! How will I walk?"
She shouted so humorously that Shanti couldn't hold back her laughter. Then the mother-in-law said,
"Oh, my feet! My feet are in severe pain."
And holding her back, she added,
"Oh, my back! It feels like iron rods have been placed in it."
The drama didn't end there. The mother-in-law took it a step further by holding her stomach and saying,
"Oh, my stomach! I think I have a stomach ache too."
During this time, she held her legs, back, and stomach, making motions like an actor. Seeing his mother's condition, the son thought, "What's going on?" He got confused by his mother's funny actions and decided not to take Shanti along. The mother-in-law gave her son one last emotional blow by saying,
"Son, you don't know, I'm in pain all the time."
Hearing this, Shanti couldn't stop laughing and thought,
"Mommy, you could really become an actress."
The next day, the mother-in-law called Shanti.
"Oh, Shanti, where have you disappeared? Where is the oil that was kept in the bottle?"
Shanti smiled and replied,
"It was only a little, so I used it for my hair. It's finished."
The mother-in-law angrily said,
"Money doesn't grow on trees. Save it. My son earns very hard."
One day, Shanti told her mother-in-law,
"The soap is finished. I need to take a bath."
The mother-in-law replied,
"Use yogurt. In the old days, we used to apply yogurt to our bodies instead of soap."
Shanti laughed and said,
"Wow, Mommy, you are truly amazing."
The next day, feeling hot, Shanti took out a suit from her dowry and wore it. When the mother-in-law found out, she scolded Shanti and said,
"You should ask the elders in the house before taking anything. Now, take it off and put it back."
Shanti thought to herself,
This mother-in-law is truly from another world.
Shanti used to drink cold water from the fridge every morning, which annoyed the mother-in-law.
Drinking cold water early in the morning? My son's hard-earned money is all spent on electricity bills.
Shanti laughed and said,
Mommy, you are truly a budget expert.
One day, Shanti got a fever from the heat. The miserly mother-in-law didn't take her to the doctor and treated her with home remedies.
Doctors unnecessarily charge so much money. I always get better with home remedies.
Shanti thought to herself,
Oh God, this mother-in-law will be the death of me.
As Shanti's condition worsened, she called her mother, who came and admitted her to the hospital. The next day, when the mother-in-law went to the hospital to see Shanti, she overheard a nurse telling the receptionist that a girl named Shanti had just died. Hearing this, the mother-in-law started crying and regretting her actions, thinking,
What have I done? My miserliness killed my daughter-in-law.
Shanti's mother, who was standing a little distance away, saw her crying and went over to tell her that Shanti's condition had improved. The mother-in-law, in disbelief, asked the nurse, who clarified that the Shanti who had died was someone else. The mother-in-law quickly went to her daughter-in-law and apologized.
I shouldn't have been so miserly.
The daughter-in-law said,
Mommy, saving money is good, but one shouldn't be miserly.
After that, Shanti and her mother-in-law hugged each other and laughed, and Shanti said,
Now I will bath with soap, not yogurt.
Shanti and her mother-in-law's funny moments brought new happiness to their lives. The mother-in-law saw the funny side of her saving habits, and Shanti started sharing happy times with her. Now the mother-in-law sometimes pretended to have pain in her stomach, back, and legs, and Shanti would laugh and join in her act. They both promised to face every problem with humor and love. In this way, Shanti made her mother-in-law her best friend, and the mother-in-law also accepted Shanti as her daughter. After that, there was never any argument between them, and they lived a happy life together.